4916 Olentangy River Road has probably one of the most stunning primary suites you have ever seen. First, it starts off with a private corridor. Down the left-hand side of the corridor, you have 2 custom closets. That's right, 2 custom closets. But the storage is just the beginning of the adventure, because on the right-hand side, you have probably one of the most impressive primary bathrooms you've ever seen. And that starts with custom cabinetry, dual vanity, custom soaking tub overlooking a farm, as well as probably one of the most amazing walk-in showers you have ever seen. Because this shower has, count it, 4 shower heads. 4 shower heads. It's just simply stunning. As impressive as the primary bath is, the primary bedroom is also very impressive. And it starts off with these beautiful vaulted ceilings featuring oak beams. The room is also very large, allowing for a very large bedroom set, as well as a separate seating area if you like. This primary suite just sets 4916 Olentangy River Road over the top.